Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Listen and Learn English. Oh, wow, I'm so happy to see you here today. Honestly, it really makes me smile when I imagine all of you sitting there, maybe with a cup of coffee or tea, ready to learn something new.
Oh, that already sounds cozy, Emma. I love that picture.
Right? And Tom, I have to say, every time we start a new video, I feel this little excitement, like, ooh, another chance to learn together. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, actually. A bit surprised, too, because I keep thinking, wow, more people are learning English with us every day.
I know, that's such a nice surprise, isn't it? And to everyone watching, how are you feeling today? Happy? Curious? Maybe a little tired? That's okay. You're in the right place.
Exactly. This channel is all about learning English in a calm, friendly, and enjoyable way.
And before we jump into today's topic, we just want to ask you something small, but very important. If you enjoy our videos and our little conversations,
Please take a second to like this video. It really helps us.
and don't forget to subscribe to Listen and Learn English so we can keep learning together, step by step.
Also, leave a comment below and tell us where are you watching from.
Yes, we love reading your comments. They make us smile, sometimes laugh, and honestly, they motivate us so much.
All right, then.
Let's relax, enjoy this moment, and start learning English together. Okay, Tom, can I be honest for a moment? Sometimes when people think about learning English, their face changes immediately. It's like they hear the word English and suddenly feel tired, confused, or even a little scared.
Yes, I've seen that look too. It's the, oh no, grammar, homework, long books look.
Exactly. Many learners think they need to study for hours every single day, memorize hundreds of words, and speak perfectly from the beginning. And when that doesn't happen, they feel disappointed and stop trying.
That's so true. People often start very excited. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Then life gets busy, they miss a day, and suddenly they think, well, I failed.
But missing one day doesn't mean failure. It just means you're human.
Exactly. Learning English is not a race. You don't have to be fast. You just have to keep going.
And here's something interesting. Most people don't quit because English is too hard. They quit because they try to do too much at the beginning.
That's a big surprise for many learners.
Yes, they think big success needs big effort every day. But actually, small and simple steps are much more powerful.
So, if you ever felt tired, confused, or unmotivated while learning English,
Please know this, you're not alone. We've all felt that way at some point.
and that's why today's topic is so important.
Because learning English doesn't have to be stressful. It can be calm, enjoyable, and even fun. All right, now here comes my favorite part. What if I told you that you don't need hours of study, big books, or perfect plans to improve your English? What if the real secret is actually much simpler than we think?
That already sounds interesting. So, what is the secret, Emma?
The secret is this. Learn English a little every day. Not a lot, not everything at once. Just a small, comfortable amount that fits into your real life.
That's such a relief to hear, because when something feels small and easy, it's much easier to continue.
Exactly. Think about it. 10 minutes a day doesn't sound scary at all. You don't feel stressed, you don't feel tired, and you don't feel like giving up before you even start.
Then those 10 minutes add up, day by day, week by week, month by month. Suddenly, you understand more, you hear English more clearly, and you feel more confident.
Yes, progress happens quietly. Sometimes you don't even notice it at first, and then one day you're like, oh, I understood that sentence.
That's one of the best feelings.
It really is. And the best part, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Just a little every day.
So instead of asking, how fast can I learn English?
Ask, how can I enjoy learning English today?
That small change makes a big difference.
And that's exactly what this channel is here for, to help you learn English slowly, comfortably, and happily. You know, Tom, this is where learning English becomes really interesting. Because English doesn't only live in books or classrooms, it's actually all around us, every single day.
That's so true. People are often surprised when they realize they can learn English while doing very normal things.
Exactly. For example, imagine you're drinking your morning coffee, feeling a little sleepy, just scrolling on your phone. Why not watch one short English video or listen to a simple conversation?
Yes. Instead of saying, I don't have time, you can say, I'll use this small moment.
And it doesn't stop there. You can listen to English while walking, cleaning the house, or even waiting in line. English can become part of your day without stress.
I also like the idea of learning one small thing, just one new word or one useful sentence.
Yes, and then you try to use it. You say it out loud, maybe a little slowly, maybe with a funny accent at first. That's totally okay.
That's how confidence grows.
And here's the best part. When English becomes part of your daily life, it stops feeling like study. It starts feeling natural, almost like a habit.
A good habit.
Exactly. Small moments, small steps every day. That's how real learning happens. Okay, Tom, now let's make this even easier. Because sometimes people understand the idea, but they still ask, so what should I actually do every day?
Yes, they want something simple, not a long plan, not a complicated schedule.
Exactly. So here's a very simple daily routine, nothing scary, I promise.
I'm listening.
First, listen to something in English. Just one short video or one short conversation, maybe even 1 minute. You don't need to understand everything. Just listen and relax.
That already sounds easy.
Second, choose one new word or sentence. Not 10, not 20, just one.
I like that rule.
And third, this part is important. Say it out loud. Even if you feel shy, even if you make mistakes, your voice matters.
Yes, English is not only for your eyes, it's for your mouth, too.
Exactly. And when you do this every day, something amazing happens. You stop feeling scared. You start feeling familiar with English.
It becomes part of your routine, like brushing your teeth.
Yes, small steps, same time, every day. That's how confidence slowly grows.
And the best part?
You don't feel tired or overwhelmed. You feel proud because you did something, even if it was small. You know, Tom, there's something very important we haven't talked about yet. Something that quietly stops many people from learning English, even when they really want to.
Let me guess. Fear?
You know, yes. The fear of making mistakes, the fear of saying something wrong and feeling embarrassed.
That fear is very real. Many learners think, if I don't speak perfectly, maybe I shouldn't speak at all.
But that's the biggest misunderstanding, because mistakes are not a problem. They're actually a sign that you're learning.
Exactly. Every mistake means you're trying, and trying means progress.
And honestly, nobody speaks perfectly. Not me, not you, not even native speakers.
That's true. Even native speakers make mistakes every day.
So if you ever feel shy or nervous when you speak English, please remember this. You don't need to be perfect to be understood. You just need to be brave enough to try.
And confidence doesn't come first. Action comes first.
Yes, confidence grows slowly, step by step, one small sentence at a time.
So take a deep breath.
And be kind to yourself. You're doing better than you think. Okay, before we finish, let's pause for a moment. I want you to think about your English journey. Not ours, not anyone else's, just you.
Yes, everyone's journey is different, and that's completely okay.
So here's my question for you. How many minutes can you honestly give to English every day? 5 minutes? 10 minutes? Maybe even 15?
There's no right or wrong answer here.
Exactly. The important thing is choosing something small that you can really do, not something that sounds perfect but never happens.
And here's another question. What is the hardest part for you when learning English?
Is it listening, speaking, remembering new words, or maybe feeling confident?
We'd really love to know.
So, please write your answers in the comments below. When you share your thoughts, you help yourself, and you also help other learners who feel the same way.
And don't worry, this is a friendly space.
Yes, we're all learning together, step by step, a little every day. All right, before we say goodbye, let me remind you of one simple thing. You don't need to change your whole life to learn English. You just need to show up a little every day.
That's right. Small steps may feel slow, but they always move you forward.
Some days you'll feel motivated, some days you might feel tired, and that's okay. What matters is that you don't give up on yourself.
Learning English is a journey, not a test.
And you're not alone on this journey. We're learning together here, step by step, word by word.
So, if today's video helps you, even a little,
Please give it a like. It really supports the channel and helps us reach more learners like you.
And don't forget to subscribe to Listen and Learn English so we can keep learning together in a calm and friendly way.
Also, feel free to share this video with a friend who wants to improve their English. Sometimes learning is easier when we do it together.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
Take care, keep smiling, and remember, learn English a little every day.
See you in the next episode. Bye!
Bye-bye.